I like this first level. That I'm patient enough to do.
Even see?
Yeah. There you go. It better not be the picture from The Exorcist.
Why?
I watched that at like 4 o'clock in the morning one time with my dad. And it was creepy.
Me, I only have a minute and 5 seconds left.
It's about like this girl that gets possessed like by the devil.
Nice.
Yeah. It's really weird. And it like gives people nightmares.
What the crap? You're like totally touching the wall, but it's like no.
Oh, is she gonna cry?
That was awesome!
I really blocked out.
Focusing so hard!
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
That was awesome!
Yeah, seriously, what's wrong with her?
She's from The Exorcist! I didn't want it to be The Exorcist one!